Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to ride camels and how to breed them, although I will not show you how to tame them because as it happens, you don't really need to tame camels. They come ready to be ridden by up to 2 people at a time, and you can just start out by breeding them right off the bat. So to saddle them up, all you gotta do is right-click them with a saddle in your hand, and then you can right-click them to mount one of the 2 seats. There's one in the front and one in the back, and they've also got a little storage inventory here where you can take the saddle on and off by hitting E. You can also get off by hitting Shift, and then you can feed them cactus, which is their favorite food, just like in real life, in order to get them to do the horizontal mambo and spit out a baby camel. They appear in deserts all over the place. They're kind of fun that way. And yeah, they're camels. They're kind of a useful utility if you can find them for long distance travel, especially if you have a friend, kind of like traveling in a boat, but you know, these are alive. And I believe they also protect you from damage while you're riding them. Other things have to kill them first before they can get to you. I will keep a little note here. The reason why I put a 2 tall fence along the side here is because they can crawl over a 1 high barrier of fence posts and get out and start wandering around. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at how you can tame and ride camels, and also, well, I say tame, I mean breed and ride camels. You can't actually tame them. It's not required. And that'll be it for this one. Have a good one, everybody, and bye.